I own this billboard, but we can't advertise because it's a medical marijuana business.
In 2022, Mississippi's law legalizing medical cannabis went into effect, and Clarence used his business skills to open True Source, Mississippi's first Black-owned medical marijuana dispensary.
My name is Clarence Cocroft II, and the name of my business is True Source Medical Cannabis.
Clarence saw this as an opportunity to start a family business, be his own boss, and help people with serious medical conditions.
Chemo patients, patients suffering from depression, patients that are suffering from PTSD, a lot of veterans, and patients with neurological or neuropathy pain. And they have a story, and it hits home. So with that, it was big for me to say, okay, Clarence, let's get into this market.
Like any new business owner, Clarence put aside a budget for advertising and even purchased a few billboards in high traffic areas in northern Mississippi. But he quickly learned his industry faces one obstacle that no other industry in the state faces. It is illegal for medical marijuana dispensaries to advertise.
You'll see billboards from casinos to gentlemen's clubs to whatever. This is the only industry that they will not allow advertising.
Making matters worse, True Source is tucked away in an industrial park off the beaten path, making it harder for potential patients to discover his business.
We can't advertise on social media, we can't advertise on TV, we can't advertise on radio, we can't advertise in any publications from newspaper to magazines. When you can't advertise, it's a disaster. They're setting you up for failure. Name a business that you can't advertise in the state of Mississippi. Good luck.
All Clarence wants to do is speak truthfully about the business he runs and let people know it exists. But the state censorship is hurting his ability to find new patients and to educate adults about Mississippi's medical marijuana industry.
I just want people to know exactly who Clarence Cocroft is, that we exist, we have a licensed medical marijuana business, and we want to service people. So that shouldn't be that hard, and be able to advertise.
The fact that an entire industry is banned from advertising doesn't just hurt the businesses and their potential patients, it also violates their First Amendment rights. Advertising is speech, and it's protected by the Constitution. That's why Clarence has teamed up with IJ to file a federal lawsuit challenging Mississippi's ban on truthful advertising. If a business is legal, talking about that business should be legal too.